In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find two-way direction in Waze. To get started, open Waze in your browser. This method works by checking a road directly inside the Waze map interface. So once the site loads, make sure you are on the home page and ready to interact with the map. After you're on the home page, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a pencil icon there. Go ahead and click that pencil icon. This opens the editing view, which gives you more detailed map information than the standard navigation view. If you've never used this section before, don't worry, it's still pretty straightforward once you know where to look. Next, move to the search bar. This is where you can quickly jump to the area or location you want to inspect. Type in the place where you want to go, then wait for the map to center on that location. This helps you avoid manually dragging around the map and makes the process much faster, especially if you're checking a road in an unfamiliar area. Once you've found the location, click directly on the road you want to check. Be as precise as possible when selecting it, because Waze needs you to choose the exact road segment in order to show its details. If the map is zoomed out too far, the road may be harder to select, so take a moment to make sure you're clicking the correct one. After you click the road, a panel will appear on the left-hand side of the screen. This pop-up contains information about that selected road segment. It may show several settings and properties, so the key here is to slowly look through the available details rather than rushing. Now scroll down in that left side panel until you find the section labeled Direction. This is the part that tells you how traffic is allowed to move on that road. It's an important setting because it determines whether vehicles can travel in one direction only or in both directions. When you reach that section, you'll be able to see whether the road is marked as two-way. If it shows two-way direction, that means traffic is permitted to travel in both directions on that road segment. And that's it. That's how you can find two-way direction in Waze, by selecting a road and checking its direction setting in the side panel. If you're reviewing multiple roads, just repeat the same process for each one so you can confirm the direction information accurately.